Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use brush feature on Adobe Photoshop mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Adobe Photoshop on my mobile phone, and then we can choose a photo that we want to edit. And for example, I'm going to use this photo. Okay, and I'm going to use brush feature for this photo. We can go to the brush menu right here, draw menu. Okay, and then you can customize the size of the brush. You can make it bigger or smaller like this, and then you can choose the brush color. For me, I'm going to choose this color, and then I'm going to customize the opacity. I'm going to reduce the opacity, and then you can also adjust the feather right here. And once you ready to draw on your photo, you just need to draw it like this. After you started the brush, you can draw on the photo. Okay, and I'm just going to make a random drawing like this, and you can reset it if you're not satisfied with the result. But I think I need to make it smaller again. Okay, oops, let me delete it, and I'm going to draw right here. Oops, I'm going to reset it, and again just draw it. Okay, done. And yeah, it's so random. And then if you want to erase it guys, just use the eraser, go to the eraser, and then you can erase the drawing like this. Okay, and I'm going to change the color. I'm going to choose yellow, and let me draw it again. Or you can draw signature. I'm going to draw signature guys. I'm going to go back to the brush, and I'm going to make it smaller, and I'm going to choose black color, and let me draw signature like this. Yeah, and that's how you can use the brush feature on Photoshop mobile. Okay, and it's free guys. You don't need to subscribe to Photoshop to use this brush feature. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.